In determining the transformations needed to move from f of x to g of x, we're first going to rewrite our g of x function so it's in a form that we're a little more used to analyzing. So in its original form, we have 2 minus the sine of pi minus x. So we're normally used to just seeing the function out in front. So we're going to write out the sine function. We're going to keep that negative sign that's attached to it. Then we're going to bring our x function to the front of the parentheses. We have to keep the negative sign that's attached to that as well. We can say that pi minus x is the same thing as negative x plus pi. Last, we're going to take that 2 that was out in front of our function and say, instead of adding it to the front of the function, we're going to add it to the end. And now we have a form that we're a little more comfortable analyzing. So negating the sine function, negating the whole function there, is going to cause a reflection over the x-axis to occur. The negative sign in front of the x variable is going to cause a reflection over the y-axis. And by adding pi, a constant, directly to our x variable, we're going to cause a horizontal shift to occur. And because we're adding, it's going to be a shift to the left, and because we're adding pi, it's going to be a shift left by pi units. And finally, by adding 2 to the entire function, we're causing a vertical shift to occur. So adding is going to cause that shift to be in the upward direction, and adding 2 means we're going to shift up by 2 units. So the final answer to our question is that the steps necessary to transform the graph of f of x into the graph of g of x is we would have to reflect the graph of f of x about or around both the x and y axes, and we would have to shift the graph left by pi units and up by 2 units.